Position the camera so it clearly records anyone approaching or touching the exterior electrical panel. Mount the camera 3 to 5 feet away from the panel at roughly eye level and angle it slightly downward to capture faces and hands as people reach into the cabinet. Use a wired power over Ethernet connection when possible because it provides continuous power and network reliability even if someone cuts standard power lines. If running cable is difficult, place the wireless transmitter and battery pack out of direct reach and conceal cabling in conduit to reduce tampering risk. Frame the shot so the panel door, surrounding fasteners, and any identifying house features such as the meter, porch light, or address numbers are visible to help confirm who was present. Add a door contact sensor to the panel cabinet that triggers an alert the moment the door opens, and set the camera to prebuffer so you capture footage from a few seconds before the trigger. Configure motion and tamper detection thresholds to avoid constant alerts from environmental movement while ensuring rapid notification when genuine interference occurs. A common mistake is mounting the camera too close to the panel, which clips the view and misses faces, so pull back and angle the lens for a wider field that includes facial height and hands. Another issue is relying solely on battery-powered wireless cameras without concealed or protected power, which can be disabled, so prefer wired power over Ethernet or shield batteries and conceal connections. Finally, many homeowners neglect to record identifying context such as nearby address numbers or unique fixtures, which makes footage hard to verify, so include those features in the frame and sync camera time with a reliable network time source. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to help contractors find work related to projects like secure electrical panel monitoring. Our site also hosts a discussion community where users and professionals share tips, ask questions, and learn from real installation experiences.